And good morning once again, Corfual here. Nice to see you all. So, this film about Acharavi end of season, what I'm trying to show you is that Acharavi is a working proper town, unlike Kassiopi, Roda and Sidari, which close in the winter. Acharavi stays open all the year round. Mind you, Oscars is open all winter in Roda, my local, thank God. Anyway, so basically I'm just running through what's available in Acharavi in the winter. For any of you who are thinking of moving out here or coming over for a winter holiday. I tell you what, there's still plenty going on during the daytime, but Acharavi closes in the evening. I mean, it's dead, just dead. You go to Sidari and it's dead in daytime and in the evenings. Same in Roda, same in Kassiopi. A few places open that are for locals, and that's about it. Anyway, have a look, see what you think. I'm just pleased to be able to do another video. Boring though it probably is to most of you. By the way, I've almost forgot. If you do come over this winter and you've got any coins to spare, you can always give them to the cat charities, Gizz's Cats or Acharavi Cat Charity. Gizz's Cats, for my money, is the best because they neuter all the strays and let them loose again to have their fun. So don't forget the cats. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye bye. Make the most of this because it's mid-October, end of season, but Acharavi is still busy. That's the road to the back streets of Acharavi. They've changed the roundabout, beautified it, God knows why. They've also painted white lines on the road and redone the pedestrian crossings. Typically at the end of the season, not at the beginning of the season. What used to be the Alpha Bank, crappiest bank in Corfu. This is a local Chinese shop, as we call it. It's supposed to be bargains, but actually it's damned expensive in there. And the products are quite shoddy in my opinion. I'm entitled to my opinion. Up there is Delia's supermarket. I personally think it's the best budget supermarket in Acharavi. Unfortunately I've heard rumours, and I hope they are only rumours, that it's going to close the end of this year. I hope not. Nice selection of shops over there, including the vets, bathroom centre, and further on there's a very good butcher's and the Cafe Neon. The CNBC Cafe. This is the other end of the roads on the back street of Acharavi, and that is the road to Pantokrata, which everybody can't find. They all go too far to Perithia looking for it. This is the back road. Along here is Harry's Bar, which is very well known. I think possibly the first taverna here. Bar, I should say. This is Harry's bar. Let's have a look at his prices. Oh, not too bad at all. This is one of the only bars that stays open very late. Most Acharavi seems to close down about 11 o'clock. Dead as a dodo, more life in the cemetery. Plenty of building going on, but it comes to a stop when the money runs out, same as everywhere. Getting ready for winter with the wood pile. Oh, they've cleared this land here. It didn't used to be like that, but it has been ages since I walked down this road. This is Poets Corner, we call it Acharavi's. This is also open late. It's a very nice, intimate, cosy little bar. 35 years ago, this was Nico's Cafe Neon. Got into a lot of trouble there. Another bar. My God, there's loads of them. And another bar. Now this road leads up to my house, Agus Pantalemus, but it's a hell of a long way from this road. Tutti Frutti's vegetable shop, very good indeed. Nice vegetables. And back on the main road. There is the best pharmacy in Acharavi. The others are a little bit more expensive. Over the road is a high-low, very popular. Obviously, very popular in the evening, closed in the daytime, but very popular. Good measures, good drinks. Over the road there is a new supermarket. Bloody expensive, I think, but that's only my opinion. And Donnin's Cafe, very nice, very popular. Still a few travel shops open, not many. Another expensive ATM. This is the Totem restaurant. It used to be on the beach under another name, but very popular. Looks like it still opens in the evening. And here's the bakery. Very nice baking goods, cakes, bread, quite cheap. Lighting shop, clothes shop, all new. The lighting shop's excellent, all your lighting needs. We're coming to the other end of Acharavi. Let's see what's there. We're on board at a tiny line because there's very few tourists here. Place is Germanos. All your telephone needs. Agents for Cosmos. That's Hermes. They sell everything in there. Just about everything, Hermes. This is the best computer shop in town. Ventures. Restaurant, Roda, do-yourself shop, one of the best around, very good in there. Have everything for your house. Excellent place. This place has tapas, like Spain. Furniture store. Quite busy traffic today. Toilet closed down. This used to be a plumber's. This is the end of Acharavi. You've got a cobbler's, shoe shop repairs, key cutter, pet shop and gun shop, and bits and pieces. And this is another Acharavi back road. Comes out at the bakery. Acharavi that way.
Cheers.